Hello everybody, it's Hayley and Concept Cat here. Today we're going to think about a new concept. The concept we're going to think about today is empty. Empty. Can you sign empty? Empty. Now I've got some water in my jug. I'm going to make it a bit easier for us to see by turning it blue. Oh, can you see my blue water? Right, I'm going to pour my water into one of these bowls. I think I need a bit more water. This bowl is empty. Empty. This bowl is not empty. Empty. Not empty. I've got two glasses. The glasses are both empty. They are empty. I've got my blue water. I'm pouring them into this glass. This one is empty. This one is not empty. Got an empty bowl. Now both glasses are empty. Got two bottles, they are both empty. I'm going to pour in some water. This bottle is empty. This bottle is not empty. Whoops! Can you help me empty the bottle? Ready, steady, go. Now my bottles are both empty. This bowl, this glass and this bottle are all empty. Empty. This bowl, this glass and this bottle are all not empty. They are not empty. Concept Cat has got a challenge for you. Can you have a go at home with some water to make things empty and not empty? This glass is empty. This glass is not empty. Can you use some water to fill and empty? I'd love to see some photos of you having a go.